here I am. Calverton is in Great Yarmouth and I am installing it into its new room, and this is a bedroom, so it should end up nice and warm in the house. So I am putting on these Ikea legs. They have mounting plates and then they screw on, and that is going to support the layout from now on. You can also adjust them. That is the join that I have to make good. It's all lined up though, and the ballasted foam here is one I've cut through. The track is actually a complete section that will run over the join, so the track is not cut through. Put power into the lights on the platform and they're all okay except for this one. This one seems to have blown, so the others are going out because the wires are shorting. I need to make sure that they don't touch, and then I'm okay. The situation now is I'm placing the track in position again. And this is something I'm doing very carefully. Make sure everything fits snug. Now, that means that none of the track was cut. So the trains should run nicely over that once the track's clean. There is a final piece of track to go in, so I'll just tack it with some glue, not much, just a little glue, and then put it in position. And this is the final track of 12 tracks. Now I just have to put it under tension a little just to fit it. And this is the careful part. Line it up. And everything fits, and then push it down. I've glued it and push it onto the ballasted foam, which is GM200, and it's shaped to fit the sleepers. Here it is so far, all set up on its legs. Controller is in, track is laid. I need to clean the track, test it, put a few more buildings and things out, and also put curtains up around the edge. So now I've put up the curtains underneath the layout. Most of the buildings and vehicles and things like that are on. Calverton has its controller in place, and there's also shelf layouts on display. And then over here there are some awards and posters, and even my Engage layout, which is just mounted vertically at the minute. I haven't actually displayed that. There you go though, Calverton is ready. I just need to get it up and running. Something odd has happened. I've misplaced all my cars and vehicles. I suppose they'll turn up. If not, I have to get some more.